Hello everyone. So we'll be discussing third problem of this bi-weekly contest 71 and minimum cost to set cooking time. So yeah, so this problem is actually the implementation problem. Just consider all those possible cases and find out the minimum. I don't know why there is huge amount of dislikes over this problem. Yeah, but this problem is really frustrating one because you need to consider the corner cases yeah, this like to implement this one, it would take time unless you are not good at implementation part. Like if you look out my submissions, I have done it was for the yesterday night, I have done in one shot. Yeah, so it was a directly accepted one. Okay, so let's begin it out. What does this problem is going to signify? A generic microwave supports cooking times for at least 1 second, at most 99 minutes and 99 seconds. So we'll be doing the calculation part along with. Okay, so the at most like time would be like greater than or equal to 1, and it should be less than or equal to 99 minutes and 99 seconds. So 99 into 60 plus 99. So let's do the calculation. So what is this product? 99 into 60. So it should be like 4 and should be like 5940 plus 99 if I'm not wrong. So let's add this one, 9 6039. Okay, so you must have this target seconds between 6039. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so microwave supports cooking time for the like at least 1 second and at most this amount. To set the cooking time, you push at most 4 digits. So you would be having a at most 4 digit number. The microwave normalizes what you push as 4 digits by prepending zeros. Like if you have some like yeah, so if you don't have a 4 digit number, it would like append the leading zero, something like that. Yeah, it interprets the first 2 digits as the minutes and the last 2 digits as the seconds. It then adds up the cooking time. Okay, so yeah, so you're not yeah, like you need not to worry about what this entire statement is about. If you're not going to understand, let me explain you in the simpler words. Suppose you have the like it is a 4 digit number. First you need to understand 4 digit number. Okay, so what you are going to do is, suppose you have the number 954. Okay, and you are going to deliver this string to this microwave. So what does this microwave is going to do is, the microwave is going to make this as a 4 digit number. Okay, so how it is going to be done? So it will be like 0 9 5 4. Okay, and it will extract the first 2 digits and it will denote it the minutes, and it will extract the last 2 digits and it will take this as seconds. Okay, now if this is done, what does this microwave is going to do is, like, it will calculate the total number of seconds that this string is going to signify. It should be like 9 into 60 plus 54. Okay, so the microwave is going to do this thing. Suppose we have another string, let's call this as the 8. Suppose this is 8 and this is going to be delivered to this microwave. So the microwave is going to append the leading zeros and make this as a 4 digit number, extract the first 2 digits, it will denote this as minutes, and the last 2 digits will denote that as seconds. So the minutes that this string will correspond is 0 into 60 plus 8. 08 is actually 8. So it will be like 8 seconds actually. And what is this value? It should be like 540 plus 54. So it should be denoting 594 seconds. If I'm not wrong, this calculation is correct. Okay, so the microwave is going to transform this string into the like corresponding number of seconds of this string. Like what does this string is going to denote, how much seconds. Okay, so yeah, but what we are actually going to do, we are given integers start at move cost, push cost, and this target seconds. Okay, initially your finger is on the digit start at, like you will be giving some integers. Start at is going to denote you are going to start at this position, this digit, moving the finger about any specific digit. Like if you shift your finger, let's say, let me first erase this one. like you would be giving some start position and some end positions, like, and some move cost and push cost also. Suppose you are start at is given as 3, and move cost is going to be, let's say, m, and push cost you would be given some like p. Okay, so if you are like, you have the digits like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, there would be 10 digits starting from 0, and you are starting at this position. So first let me change out the color, and you're starting at this position. Okay, so like if you try to move from 3 to any of the digits like 3 to 4, 3 to 5, and 3 to 6, and 3 to 7, it would cost, let's say you're moving from 3 to 8, it would cost exactly m units. Let's call it as m money, m amount of money, m units. Okay, this is actually the move cost when you try to move from 3 to 8. Suppose you don't move, you stay at 3. If you stay at 3, the cost that is going to like the cost that is going to be charged to you would be like 0, because you're not going to shift from your current position. Okay, so moving the finger about any specific digit cost move cost units of fatigue, and pushing the digit below the finger cost once cost push cost units of fatigue. Okay, so if you try to move from 3 to 8, it will cost you m, plus when you try to press this digit 8, it will cost you the amount p, m plus p. Okay, suppose you don't move from 3, so if you stay at 3, then what will happen is like so you need to press the digit 3. So if you stay at 3, your cost will be 0, because there is no cost of shifting, and you are going to press this digit 3, so push cost would be p, so your total cost would be p for pressing the digit 3. Okay, there can be multiple ways to set the microwave to cook for the target seconds. So you would be given some target seconds, that is like you need to cook the microwave for this amount of seconds, so let's denote it as capital T. Okay, but you are interested in the way with the minimum cost. Return the minimum cost to set the target seconds of cooking time. Remember that 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. Okay, so let me explain what does this entire thing is about. So you would be given capital T, which would be the target seconds which you demand that the microwave should cook for amount T. Okay, so like T is the target second, so you would be delivering the various strings to this microwave. So let me write down deliver strings to microwave. Okay, so let me say that we are going to deliver the string to, let's say, 953. So if this is the string delivered to the microwave, so microwave will first transform this string to a 4-digit number and find out the total number of seconds that microwave will run. So you can see it will be like 9 into 60 plus 53. So this is the total amount of seconds that microwave will run. But T is the targeted amount of seconds that microwave should run. So if this value is equal to this capital T, then this string is valid, otherwise this string is not valid. Okay, so suppose there exists a string s, and when we convert this s into the like total number of seconds that this will signify, let's say it is at small t. If t is exactly equal to this capital T, then you are going to consider the corresponding string s and find out the cost to reach out this target seconds. Okay, so let me explain in other words also. So suppose we have a string called s exactly equal to 2359, and the minutes that it will signify is 23 into 60 plus 59. Let's say this one, and suppose this small t is exactly equal to this capital T. So if this is the case, you need to find out the cost to complete this operation to reach this target seconds. Okay, so you will try to start with this entire criteria. Start at 3. Okay, suppose this is start at 3. You need to complete 2359. So if you are starting at 3, you are going to move to this 2. So it will cost you m, and when you are pressing the 2, it will cost you m plus p. Okay, so for completing this 2. Okay, so your current position is about this one. Now again you are trying to move to 3. So in that case, to press this 3, move cost plus push cost. So and the current position you are at is 3. Now you need to go to 5. So in that case you are going to have move cost plus push cost, and in the next case you are going to move to 9. So it would be like for compressing the 9 it would be m plus p again. Okay, so everything is m plus p. So let's take an example where m, like we would be having only p. So suppose the start at is going to be at 2. Okay, so you would be having 3 right now. Okay, so like your starting position is this one, and your first digit is exactly 2. So you have to come to press the digit 2, your cost would be, moving cost would be 0 because you are at the same position, plus there will be only pushing cost. Then from 2 you are going to 3, so m plus p 5, m plus p 9, m plus p. Okay, so yeah, so you need to reach out this target seconds in various multiple ways using the help of this string s. But how do we find this string s and convert the value that is going to denoted by this string s, that is the seconds, and check it out if capital T is exactly equal to this small t. So there are various possible ways to like construct this string s. Okay, so we are going to understand how this is going to be done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like, s is a 4-digit number, s0, s1, s2 and s3. Okay, so we will construct this string s, and after constructing this digit string s, find out this value of small t, which is the time. Let me write down time in seconds. Time in seconds denoted by this string s, and if the target second is exactly matching with this t, you will find out the cost. Then you are going to say find cost and minimize. Okay, so first of all, this is the entire approach. So first of all, let us understand how this string will be built up. Okay, so let me just change out the color. So what you are going to do is, like, consider it is a 4-digit number. So every place of the digit will have the will have the type from starting from 0 to less than equal to 9. So let me write down in a more clearer way. So let's s0 must be varying from 9 to 0, and similarly s1 must be varying from 9 to 0, and s2 is also varying from 9 to 0, and s3 must also be varying from 9 to 0. So there are only total amount of 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So you would be using 4 for loops and consider every possible case of s0, every possible case of s1, s2 and s3, and find out this string s. If you are able to find out this string s by considering every possible case, then we are done. Find out this t and check if it is equal, and then if it is equal, then find out the cost denoted by cost to do this, complete this operation, and minimize that. Okay, so this is all about, we need to construct the string s efficiently. So let's understand with the help of coding part also how we are going to construct this string s. Yeah, so n, capital N, is actually the total amount of it is actually the value 10 raised to the power 4. Time complexity would be this one, space complexity would be the same. Yeah, so this get time is actually when we have a valid string s, we need to complete the operation, right? So get time will return the total time to do this operation. So cost will be 0 and my current position will be start at, like we are starting at this position. So we will iterate in this string s, which is actually this current time. Okay, so every time we need to press the digit, so cost will be incremented by push cost. Okay, and my current position is this one, and if my current position is not equal to the previous position, like required position is not equal to the current position, then we need to shift to the that position. So move cost will be added, so cost plus equal to move cost, and my current position change will change to the new position. So and finally we will return this cost. So the next thing is we need to construct this string s efficiently. So I'd be using 4 for loops, you can see. Yeah, so position 1 will vary from 0 to 9, s0, s2 will be also be vary from 0 to 9, similarly this one and this one. Okay, so let's calculate the total number of seconds that is being denoted by this string s. So it should be like yeah, first we will convert this into their respective positions. You can see pose 1 minus 0 into 10, pose 2 minus 0, and then it will multiply it with 60, denoting that it will be a second. And then the again the next thing, this will be like yeah. So okay, so let me explain in some other word. This entire term is actually my okay, so this term is actually my total number of minutes, and when we multiply it by 60 it will become seconds, and this term is actually denoting the seconds. Okay, note that I'm multiplying it by 10 because to convert into the respective positions. So if you're not going to understand, no need to worry about. So it should be like, let's say 2359. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like, so I will extract this 23 and extract this 59. So you can see for having this like we need to convert this to 23 into 60. So it can also be written as 20 plus 3 into 60, and you can see 20 is actually 2 into 10 plus 3. This can also be written like that. That's what I'm going to do. Find out this number, multiply it by 10 plus this one, and we need to convert it into seconds. That's why multiplied by 60. So if this total seconds that this string will signify is not equal to target seconds, then we are not going to use this string as like this is not a valid string. Otherwise this is a valid string. We will construct this string, and like yes, we need to minimize that. Okay, now there is also one more tricky case. Like suppose we have the string, let me first erase this one. Suppose we have got the string as 0953, and this is a valid string. Okay, so what I am going to do is like there can be also like we have added this extra leading zeros, so 953 can also be the valid string. So we would check out all those. Like suppose there is another one like 0005. Okay, so this is the string. So and this is a valid string. Okay, so there can be the possibility that 005 is also a valid string, 05 may be a valid string, 5 may be a valid string. So we will pop out the each of the leading zeros and check it out. If this is a valid string, then we are going to proceed further. Okay, yeah, so what I'm going to do is like yeah, pop out every zeros present over there, and yeah, find out the minimum cost, and yes, minimize that. That's why I'm taking the minimum, and finally return the answer. So if you guys have still any doubts, do reach out to us in the comment section of the video, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share this video.